Let's move to the question number 6. Sketch the graph of y is equal to 3 sine x plus 2 for x is equal to less than and equal to 2 pi and greater than and equal to 0. Okay, first we find the value of y when x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 3 sine of 0 plus 2, and this one is equals to 2, and x is 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, then y is equal to 3 sine of pi by 2 plus 2, and this one is equal to 3 times 1 plus 2, and this one is equal to 5. When we have the value of pi, x is equal to pi, y is equal to 3 sine of pi plus 2, and this one is equals to the 3 of 0 plus 2, and this one is equals to 2. And when x is equals to 3 pi by 2, then y is equals to 3 sine of 3 pi by 2 plus 2, and in this case 3 sine of 3 pi by 2 is negative 1 plus 2, so this one is equal to negative 1. And when we have x is equals to 2 pi, y is equal to 3 sine of 2 pi plus 2, and this one is equals to 2, because sine of 2 pi is also 0. Okay, this one is 0 comma 2, and this one is pi by 2 comma 5, and this one is pi comma 2, and this one is 3 pi over 2 comma negative 1, and this one is equals to the 2 pi comma 2. When x is equal to 0, we will have 2. For example, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, and this one is 5, and the point will be 0 comma 2 is 0 comma this one, and pi by 2 comma 5 means this one. When pi comma 2 is this one, and 3 pi over 2 comma negative 1 means 3 pi 2, this one is negative 1, so this point. And when we have the 2 pi, so we will have 2 again. So this is the plot of the given expression, which is y is equal to 3 sine of x plus 2. Okay. Determine the number of solution in the interval 0 to 2 pi of each of the following. We know that when we solve two equations simultaneously, we get the point of intersection. Okay. So these are two equations. For example, y is equal to 3 sine of x plus 2, and this equation shows this graph. And we have another equation, this one, which is y is equal to x. This is the equation of line. If we plot this equation of line, we will find the point of intersection. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi, y is equal to pi. When x is equal to pi by 2, y is pi by 2. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 2 pi, y is equal to 2 pi. So we can say that, okay, you can see that pi by 2 is equals to 1.5707. Okay, and this one is equal to 3.142. So for value of x, y is also the x. So we can say that for value of x equals to 1.50707, y will be 1.5707. So 1.5 will be here. Similarly, when x is equal to 3.142, so y will also the 3.142. So this will be here, almost. So when we plot this line is increasing, so we will have only one point of intersection, this one. So we can say that only one point of intersection, so one solution only. Similarly, we have another equation, we need to find the number of solution of this given equation. So we know that y is equal to 3 sine of x plus 2. This is the equation from the part A. We already plot this one black line, and we have another equation. So y is equal to 5 minus x. If we solve these two equations simultaneously, we will get number of point of intersections, and those point of intersections are the solution of these two equations. We already plot the y is equal to 3 sine of x plus 2 in part A. Now we will plot y is equal to 5 minus x. So first we consider when x is equals to the 0, y is equals to the 5. So the point is 0 comma 5. When x is equals to pi by 2, we will have y equals to 5 minus pi by 2, and this one is equals to the 3.4429. Okay, when we have x is equal to pi, we will have y is equals to the 5 minus pi, which is equals to 1.858. So point in this case is pi by 2 comma 3.429, and in this case we will have pi comma 1.858. When x is equals to 3 pi by 2, so y is equals to 5 minus 3 pi by 2, and this one is equals to the 5 minus 4.7123, which is equals to the 0.287. So we can say that point is 3 pi by 2, and this one is 0.287. So let's plot the equation. For example, we will have 0 comma 5, this one is 0 comma 5. Second point is pi by 2 comma 3.4, so pi by 2 comma 3.4, so this one will be here. And when pi we have 1.85, this one here. For value of 3 pi by 2 we will have 0.2, so this one is here. When we plot a line joining these points, let me check how many intersecting. When this one, then this one, and then this one. So we have 3 point of intersection when we solve these two equations simultaneously. So we can say that 3 points of intersection, so 3 solutions. Okay, part C. Solve the equation y is equal to 3 sine x plus 2 is equal to 5 cos square x minus 1 for x is equal to less than and equal to 2 pi and greater than and equal to 0. We have 3 sine of x plus 2 is equal to 5 cos of square x minus 1, and we know that cos square of x is equals to 1 minus sine square of x. Plugging these value, we will have 3 sine of x is plus 2 is equals to 5 times 2 1 minus sine square x minus 1, and this one is equals to 3 sine of x plus 2 is equals to 5 minus 5 sine square x minus 1, and this one is equals to the 4 minus 5 sine square x. Now 3 sine of x plus 2 is equals to 4 minus 5 sine square of x. Further solving, we will have 5 sine square of x plus 3 sine of x plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0, and we have the quadratic equation, which is 5 sine square of x plus 3 sine of x minus 2 equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation and we can solve it by using the factorization. So we can write it 5 sine square of x plus 5 sine of x minus 2 sine of x minus 2 equal to 0, and when we take 5 sine common, we will have sine of x plus 1 minus 2 common, and this will be sine of x plus 1 equal to 0. So we will have 5 sine of x minus 2 times sine of x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we have two factors equating each with 0. We will have 5 sine of x minus 2 equal to 0, and on the other side we will have sine x plus 1 equal to 0. And in this case sine of x is equal to negative 1, and sine inverse of negative 1 equals to x. So x is in this case is 3 pi by 2, because there is only one angle for which we will have negative 1 value. And in this case we have sine of x is equal to 2 over 5, and x is equal to sine inverse of 2 over 5. So x is equal to sine inverse of zero point 0.4, which is equal to, using calculator we can find it, 0.411 radian. And we know that sine of x is positive in two quadrant, first and second quadrant, and negative in third and fourth quadrant. So this 2 over 5 is the positive value, so the angle should be lie in first and second quadrant. The angle 0.411 lie in first quadrant. We need to find the angle in second quadrant, so we can find it by using the formula x is equals to pi minus x base. So we already have base angle, which is angle in first quadrant. So second x is equals to pi minus xb, and this one is equals to pi minus 0.411, and this one is equals to 2.7007. So we have three solution for the given equation. So we can say that x is equals to 3 pi by 2, and we have another value which is 0.411, and we have another value which is 2.7007. So these are the required solution.